Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use the bounded plane. So let's start. The command is in Surface, then go to More, then go to Fill, and here you'll find the command of bounded plane. As per the definition, it is going to create a planar sheet body enclosed by a set of end connected planar curves. So we will get two conditions from this definition. The very first one is regarding the loop, that the loop should be closed, and second is coplanar, that the loop should be coplanar. Otherwise, the bounded plane is not going to take place in the graphics window. So let's start with understanding the options. So here you'll get only one option of planar section. Then you have to just select the curves. So I'm just going to reset the command. And here, if I just select this one, so here get the planar sheet, something like this. Now, if we choose like this is not coplanar, so it will automatically give you alert that the string objects not coplanar. So this is how it is not going to take place in the graphics window. So you have to take care of this. So I'm just going to reset this and I'm just going to select this because this is also coplanar. So I'm just going to have the filter of tangent curves and then select this one, then click OK. So this is how we can use the bounded plane command in surface modeling. So that is all regarding this video. If you have learned something new from this video, please do hit a like, share this video, and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you so much.